Hello dear friends and students, welcome back to my channel. We are going to start practice set 2.2 class 10 geometry. First question says in triangle PQR, point S is the midpoint of side QR. If PQ is 11, PS is 13, PR is 17, then find the value of QR. Such kind of questions can be solved by Apollonius theorem. So we are going to start the solution first. In solution we can say in triangle PQR, this is triangle PQR, PS is the median, then therefore by Apollonius theorem what Apollonius theorem says, PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2PS square plus 2QS square. So we are going to start the solution by Apollonius theorem. PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2PS square plus 2QS square. This is Apollonius formula where PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2PS square plus 2QS square, or you can take 2SR square. So what is the value of PQ is 11. So you will put the value of 11, but 11 plus square plus what is the value of PR 17. 17 square is equal to 2 as it is. What is value of PS 13. 13 as it is a square plus 2 QS square. First we will find QS square. Now 11 square, you all know what is the square of 11? 121 plus 17 square 289 is equal to 2 as it is. What is the 13 square? 169 plus 2 QS square. Now 129 plus 289 is 9 plus 1 0, 8 plus 9 plus 1 10, 0 carry 1, 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11 carry 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 410. So 410 is equal to, now we will multiply this, 9 2s are 18 carry 1, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. So 210 is equal to 338 plus 2 QS square. Therefore we can write this equation as, first we will write this as 410 minus 338 is equal to 2 QS square. So 410 minus 388. So here is 10 minus 8 2, 40 minus 33, that is 7. This is equal to 2 QS square. Therefore we can write, therefore QS square is equal to 72 upon 2. See, so what I have done, I have taken QS here in this side and 72 is as it is. 2 here, when it will come to this side, it will divide 72. So QS square is equal to 72. I'll write here QS square is equal to 72 upon 2. Therefore QS square is equal to 36. 2 3s are 60, 2 3s are 6, 1 2 6 are 12, 36. Therefore we can say QS is equal to 6. Here we can write by taking square root on both sides. So we have got the value of QS is 6. Here QS is 6. But what we have to do? We have to find the value of QR. So therefore we can say QS is equal to half of QR, right? Therefore what is the value of QS? 6. So 6 is equal to half into QR. So 2 will come here, it will multiply 6. So 6 times 2 is equal to QR. Therefore QR, what is the value of QR? QR is equal to 12. So this is the value of QR. QR is equal to 12. So here we got the value of QR as 12. You can do like this, or you can do like QS is equal to 6. So SR is equal to 6, because these are two equal sides. So 6 plus 6 is 12. That way you can do. Okay, understood? Next. Question number 2. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 10, BC is equal to 9, AC is equal to 7. Then find the length of the median drawn from C to side AB. We have to find the length of this median. So we start with the solution. Before this, we have to consider something. What we have to consider? Let CM be the median. Let segment CM be the median drawn from vertex C. You can write on side AB. Therefore M is the of side AB, because M is the median of side AB and median is drawn from C to AB. This we can write by definition of median. Therefore, so AM is equal to half of AB. AM is equal to half of AB. This is equal to half into, what is the value of AB? AB is 10. So this is equal to 10. Therefore, AM is equal to 5. 2 5s are 10. So we have find the, हमको AM का वैल्यू मिल गया, but what we have to find? We have to find the value of CM. So in triangle ACB, so this is a triangle ACB. M segment CM is the median, or we can say M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint. Therefore what? By Apollonius theorem. Same, we have to apply same theorem, that is Apollonius theorem. What does it say? AC square plus AB square is equal to 2CM square plus AM square. इसलिए तो हमने AM का वैल्यू निकाला यहाँ पर. So by Apollonius theorem we can write AC square plus BC square is equal to 2CM square plus AM square. This we have to find. What is the value of AC? 7 का square plus what is the value of BC? 9 का square is equal to 2 as it is. CM we have to find, so CM square will remain as it is plus 2. What is the value of AM? यहाँ पे हमने निकाला है 5, so this will become 5 का square. Now simplify this. 7 square is 49 plus 9 square is 81. This is equal to 2CM will remain as it is. This is 2CM square plus 5 square 25. 25 multiplied by 2 is 50. Right? Directly 50 here. Now 49 plus 81, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 30. 130 is equal to 2CM square plus 50. We'll write here. Therefore, we can write 2CM square is equal to 130 minus 50. Can we write like this? See, 2 square cm square, keep it as it is, plus 50. When it will go to the next another side, it will become minus. So 130 minus 50 is equal to 2 cm square. Only क्या किया है, सिर्फ 2 cm square is equal to 130 minus 50. So 130 minus 50 is what? 130 minus 50 is 80. So 2 cm square is equal to 80. Now what we'll do, 2 here, 2 is here in the multiply position. When it will go here, it will divide 80. So cm square is equal to 80 divided by 2. So cm square is equal to 80 upon 2 is 40. 2 4s are 8 and 0. Cm square is equal to 40. What we have to do, we don't want cm square, we want cm. So we will take square root. So cm is equal to, see, 40 means 22s are 40 or 10 4s are 40. But we should find a number which is equal to और उसका इसका square root निकले. So what we will do, in square root we will write 2 square root 10. Means what? 2, when it will go inside, it will become 4. 4 into 10, 40. So 2 root 10. Therefore we can say cm is the median and the value of the median is 2 raised to 10. So therefore we can write length of the median drawn from C to side AB is 2 root 10. This is your answer. Okay. Question number 3. In figure, segment PS is the median of triangle PQR. This PS is the median of triangle PQR and angle and PT is perpendicular to QR. Prove that PR square is equal to PS square plus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 whole square. We have to prove this. This question has 2 sub questions. First we'll solve first sub question and then we'll move to the second sub question. So in solution we can write here, this is the solution where this is triangle PQR, segment PS. Segment PS is the median of triangle PQR. This is given. Segment PS is the median of triangle PQR. This is given. Now we will write QS is equal to SR is equal to half QR. QS is equal to SR is equal to half QR. Why? Because S is the midpoint. Okay. Now we'll first go into the triangle PTS. So in triangle PTS, angle PTS is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we can say that PS square is equal to PT square plus TS square. So PS square is equal to PT square plus TS square. This will become our equation first. Now we will go in triangle PTR. So in triangle PTR, angle PTR is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we can say that PR square is equal to, see, PR square is equal to PT square plus TR square. So PT square plus TR square. We'll solve this equation here. The remaining part we'll solve. This we'll take here. So TR square. So PR square is equal to PT square plus TR square. Now what is TR? When you look here, TR is TS plus SR. So PR square is equal to PT square plus TS plus SR. So TS plus SR whole square. Why this? Because T dash S dash R. Now we'll write PT as it is. So PR square is equal to PT square plus, when you look here, if you consider this as A and this is as B, what it forms? A square plus 2AB plus B square. So A is TS, A square means TS square plus 2AB. 2AB means 2 TS into SR. TS into SR plus B square means SR square. We can write this as A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now when you look here, PT plus TR, PT plus TS, PT plus TS, PT square plus TS square is what? PS square. So we'll write here, this is equal to PR square is equal to PT square plus TS square. See, PT plus TS is what? PS square. So PS square plus 2 into TS. Oh, instead of SR, what we want? We want QR, na? So SR is what? Here it is given. SR is equal to half of QR. So we'll write half of QR. Half of QR plus half of QR square. Now when you look here, 2 into it is also here also into, so 1 upon 2 means 2 gets cancel. So what remains here? This equals to PS square plus TS into QR plus half QR square. So PS square plus QR into ST plus QR square. We arrange this equation like our answer. So therefore PR square is equal to PS square plus what you want? QR. So QR first into TS or ST, same ST plus half QR square. So PR square is equal to PS square plus QR into ST into half. This is the answer. Question 3, sub question 2, what we have to prove? PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 whole square. Its solution: segment PS is the median of triangle PQR that is given. Now QS is equal to SR is equal to half QR. QS is equal to SR is equal to half QR. Why? Because S is the midpoint. Okay, S is the midpoint. So in triangle PTS, angle PTS is equal to 90 degree. That is given. This angle T is 90 degree. That is given. So therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we can say that PS square is equal to PT square plus TS square. This will be our equation 1. PS square is equal to PT square plus TS square. Now we'll go to the next triangle, that is PTQ. So in triangle PTQ, angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree, given T is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write PQ square, see PTS, PTQ, T is 90 degree, PQ square, PQ is hypotenuse, PQ square is equal to PT square plus TQ square. So therefore PQ square is equal to PT square plus TQ square. Therefore PQ is equal to PT square plus TQ square. So TQ can we write TQ as QS minus TS. So PQ square is equal to PT square plus QS minus TS whole square. Why? Because they are in Q dash T dash S form. So QS will become A, TS will become B. Therefore PQ square is equal to PT square will remain as it is plus A minus B whole square, A square minus 2AB plus B square. So A is QS, so QS square minus 2 QS into TS, QS into TS plus B square means TS square. We can write here as A minus B square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Now we will arrange this equation as we will bring TS here and QS will go there. So PQ square is equal to PT square plus TS square, okay, minus 2QS into TS plus QS square. What we have done? We have TS we have taken here and QS has gone here. We only exchange here, arrangement. For arrangement we have done this. So PT plus TS. So PT plus TS. You got PS here in equation 1. So PQ square is equal to PT plus TS is PS. So PS square plus, sorry, minus 2 QS. QS means what? Here QS means half QR. So we will take half QR into TS plus QS means half QR whole square. Now this is equal to PS square minus 2 gets cancelled, so it will remain QR into TS plus half QR square. So we have to arrange this equation like this. Therefore we can say PQ square is equal to PS square. PQ square PS square minus QR into TS or ST same into ST plus QR upon 2. So 1 upon 2 means QR upon 2 is same whole square. So this is your answer. PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 whole square. Now question number 4 is similar to the Apollonius theorem. You can solve by yourself. Okay.